Good afternoon from your National Weather Service forecast office in Fort Worth. Here's your weekend outlook. This is being recorded on Friday afternoon, September the 13th. For the satellite, we can see mainly clear skies across much of Texas. A few high clouds moving their way across the area. What we really can't see, though, are those fair weather cumulus that are continuing to be out there. But down across South Texas, we are seeing the beginnings of Tropical Storm Ingrid, which continues to move into the western Gulf. Right now, it does not look like it's going to pose too much of a threat for Texas or for North Texas especially, although the moisture of Ingrid is going to have a little bit of an impact on our forecast. Here's the Hurricane Center forecast track for Ingrid as it takes it onshore into Mexico, and that should be occurring by Sunday afternoon, early Monday morning, and it should start to spread quite a bit of rainfall for the Mexican mountains and also on the coast there. Now, the moisture from Ingrid is going to be a little bit on the tricky side. Most of the moisture is being forecast to go to the west, although there are a few of the models that are suggesting a little bit more northerly track to the moisture. Really kind of think the westerly track is going to win out, but we are going to see just enough moisture coming up from the south to give us a rain chance Monday, Tuesday, and maybe even into Wednesday as well. And that goes for today as well, because we are going to see a few showers, few thunderstorms out there today. The bulk of the weekend is going to be relatively rain-free, however, and Ingrid continues to kind of churn there in the Gulf of Mexico. As time goes along, by tomorrow evening, we are going to see pretty much just a few scattered showers. And then by the early part of next week, we're just going to start to see a little bit in the way of northerly winds, and that's going to help continue to cool us down. Unfortunately, the rain chances remain relatively low, but we are going to see some off and on showers today, and then by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday again. Actually, the best chance is going to be for today with some scattered showers. High temperatures up in the mid-90s. After that, though, we're going to start seeing those temperatures a little closer to 90, which is fairly good news. Overnight lows a little closer to around 70, so things slowly getting back to normal. As far as the confidence impacts, we're fairly confident in the forecast, and the impacts are going to stay relatively low. So enjoy the weekend. Watch out for a few scattered showers, a few thunderstorms, and if you get some rain, definitely enjoy it. And if you have any kind of questions or comments about this service, feel free to drop us an email, sr-fwd.webmaster@noaa.gov, or just visit our website, www.weather.gov/Fort Worth. Thanks for listening. Hope you have a great day. Have a great weekend as well from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Fort Worth.